Welcome back to Indus Technologies with one more interesting video in which we are going to sort this table, this Excel sheet. I am going to sort this, but I am going to sort this according to my own list. Suppose I am going to sort this in this way. This is my list. I will show you the list. This is my list. I am going to sort it according to this list. First Yawar Gulzar Sheikh, then Rishi, then Iftikhar, then Faizan, then Mujtaba, then Mohammed Shafiq. Then I want my this table to get sorted according to their respective details. Suppose this is Faizan. His detail should be, date of joining should remain same, and his place should remain same after getting sorted. Sort should be according to this list. Okay, so first Yawar Gulzar, then this, then this, then this. So it should be sorted according to this list. So for that, first I will make a custom list of these names, because I want to sort according to these names. So I will go to File, then I will go to More. Here it is More. Then I will go to Options. I will select Advanced. Then I will scroll down and go to Edit Custom List. Then I will put my cursor here. Then I will select the list according to which I am going to sort that table. So I will select this list. What is the procedure to select this table? First click here, then this, you can see this plus, then you have to drag after clicking, holding the click, you have to drag up to the last name. Now you can see $A $1, that means A1. This is A and this is 1. This is this cell. To A18, $A $18. So dollar means this value should remain fixed. So it is actually A1 to A18. So it is A1 and last one is A18. So I have to click import here, then click OK. Then OK. So my list is ready. This list I have edited in my custom lists. Now I'll go to data sheet and I want to sort this table according to this list. So I want to sort it such that I want to sort it in a manner that this date of joining and this place should remain same. Suppose we will have a mark on one. This is suppose Iftikhar Nabi. I will make its color different. So for the I have changed it to its color so that we can check it. I will select it 2. Suppose I will select this Mukesh Singh also. I will change its color also. So you can remember this date of joining. This date of joining is 16th of October for Iftikhar, and for Mukesh 2nd March is the date. I will do one thing. I will also change its color. I will keep 2 different colors. So when we will sort this, Mukesh Singh should get same color and same date of joining and same place. Iftikhar should also get same date of joining and same place. Every name should get it same date of joining and same place. So now I am going to sort this table. So I will select this whole table by clicking at the center of any cell and then dragging it. I will select whole table. Then I will go to sort option. This is sort. Here I will select custom sort. After selecting custom sort, I will go to sort by date of joining, place, but I am going to sort by name because my list, I have edited the list of names. So I will select here name. Then order. In order I will select custom list. Then this is the custom list which I have earlier imported from this list sheet. So I will select this and I will click OK. I will click OK. You can see Iftikhar has got the same color as well as same this place and date of joining. Mukesh Singh has got the same. Every name has got its same details, and this has been sorted according to this list. I will check this list. I will select this all. Click Ctrl C, copy and paste it here. Now I'm going to check this list. You can see this is Yawar. Here it is Yawar Gulzar, Rishi, Iftikhar. So it is according to this. It is now sorted in this format. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel Indus Technologies.